In this video, we will use long division to divide whole numbers. In the first example, we will divide 956 by 4. In this problem, the dividend has 3 digits and the divisor 1 digit. We will start by dividing 4 into 9. 4 goes into 9 2 times. Then we will write 2 above 9. This will be the first digit in the answer. Now we will multiply 2 by 4 and we will write the result under 9. 2 times 4 equals 8, and now we will subtract these two numbers. 9 minus 8 equals 1. Next we will bring down 5 and we will write it next to 1. And now we have to find how many times 4 goes into 15. 4 goes into 15 3 times. Then we will write 3 above 5. Now we will multiply 3 by 4 and we will write the result under 15. 3 times 4 equals 12, and 15 minus 12 equals 3. Now we will bring down the last digit. Then the number formed will be 36. Then 4 goes into 36 9 times. We will write 9 above 6, and we will multiply 9 by 4 to get 36. Then 36 minus 36 is 0. So we divided 956 by 4 and we got 239. In the next example, we will divide 3520 by 5. If we consider only the first digit in the dividend, then 5 does not go into this digit. Therefore, we will group it with the digit next to it and we will form the number 35. Then 5 goes into 35 7 times. Then we will write 7 above this 5. Now we will multiply 7 by 5 and we will write the result below. 7 times 5 is 35, and 35 minus 35 is 0. Next we will bring down the digit 2. 5 does not go into 2, therefore we will write a 0 above this 2 and we will bring down the next digit. So we will write a 0 next to 7 and we will bring down the next digit. Now 5 goes into 20 4 times. We will write 4 above 0, and now we will multiply 4 and 5 to get 20. So 4 times 5 is 20, and 20 minus 20 will give us the remainder 0. So in this problem we divided 3520 by 5 and we got 704. In the next problem we will divide 408 by 12. The dividend is a 3-digit number and the divisor is a 2-digit number. And because 12 is a 2-digit number, it's not gonna divide into 4. Therefore, we will group these two digits and we will form number 40. Now we have to see how many times 12 goes into 40. For this, we can do some work on the side. We know that 12 times 2 is 24, and 12 times 3 is 36. And if we multiply 12 by 4, we will get 48, and 48 is larger than 40. Therefore, we can say that 12 goes into 40 3 times. We will write 3 above this 0, and then we will multiply 3 by 12 and we will get 36. Then 40 minus 36 equals 4. Next we will bring down digit 8. Then we have to see how many times 12 goes into 48. From the right we see that 12 goes into 48 4 times. Therefore we will write 4 above this 8. And now we will multiply 4 by 12 and we will get 48. Then 48 minus 48 will give us the remainder 0. So in this problem we divided 408 by 12 and we got 34. In the last problem we will divide 161,115 by 23. Here 23 is a two-digit number, and if to the right we form a group of two digits, 23 does not go into 16. Therefore, we take the next digit and we form the number 161. Now we have to find how many times 23 goes into 161. When dividing larger numbers, it is easier to round each number and then estimate how many times one number goes into the other. 23 can be rounded to 20, and 161 can be rounded to 160. Now, when using these numbers, we can see that 20 goes into 160 8 times. Now, let's multiply 23 by 8 and let's see if we get a number that is not greater than 161. 8 times 3 is 24. We will write 4 and we will carry 2. And 8 times 2 is 16, and 16 plus 2 is 18. This number is definitely larger than 161. Then let's multiply 23 by 7. 7 times 3 is 21. We will write 1 and we will carry 2. Then 7 times 2 is 14, and 14 plus 2 is 16. So we see that when multiplying by 7, we get exactly 161. Then let's write 7 above this 1, and 7 times 23 is 161. If we subtract them, we will get 0. Now let's bring down the next digit. 23 does not go into 1, therefore we will write a 0 above this 1 and we will bring down the next digit. So we will write a 0 next to 7 and we will bring down the next one. 23 does not go into 11, therefore we will write another 0 above this one and we will bring down 5. So let's write another 0 above and bring down 5. And now we have to find how many times 23 goes into 115. If we estimate, we know that 20 divides into 100 5 times. We also see that the last digit of this number is 5. Therefore, let's see if 5 is the number we need. On the side, we will multiply 23 by 5, and 5 times 3 is 15. We will write 5 and we will carry 1. Then 5 times 2 is 10, plus 1 is 11. So indeed 23 multiplied by 5 is 115. Then let's write 5 above this 5. So we will write 5 next to 0, and then 5 times 23 is 115. Then 115 minus 115 will be 0. So in this problem, we divided 161,115 by 23 and we got 7,005. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching.